Introducing SPB Machinery's most efficient and high-quality paper plates, which are perfectly designed to serve delicious delights like foods and desserts. Presenting the main features of PPM 100 machine speed is 80 to 140 pieces, both heads combined. Machine weight is 1,400 kilograms. The machine size is 3.7 by 1.2 by 1.9 meters. Total power is 10 kilowatts. Paper weight is 150 to 1000 GSM. At SPB Machinery, the paper plate manufacturing process have performed with our state-of-the-art equipment, which have the ability to design the paper plates perfectly with various shape and size. Paper plates have now become the key asset for a variety of events such as birthdays, picnics, and other events. Such plates are ideal for serving appetizers as well as delectable sweets, and it is also simple to use. Due to the growing demand for paper plate products, the market will develop at a CAGR of 2.1% between 2023 and 2028, reaching around $126.66 billion by 2028. Discover the future of paper plate manufacturing with SPB Machinery. Contact us today to schedule a free consultation.